Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and a current Windows 10 build. This matters because some diagnostic options require recent updates. Once done, open Settings, choose Privacy, then Diagnostics and Feedback to begin. Make sure device backup or a restore point exists so you can revert changes if needed. This is a safety step many skip. Next, review available diagnostic levels shown on the page so you know what each option will send. Now focus on the middle steps. Change diagnostic data from basic to full where your organization or privacy tolerance allows, because full sends more telemetry used for deeper troubleshooting. Then enable optional diagnostic features and improved error reporting to include extra logs and app data. These toggles appear below the main setting. Once set, open the Diagnostic Data Viewer app to verify what will be collected, and use the Delete button to clear prior data if you want a clean baseline. Finish by restarting your PC so the new diagnostic level and optional features apply system-wide. Some services only read settings at startup. After reboot, confirm via Diagnostic Data Viewer and Event Viewer that expected items are being logged. If settings revert or won't stick, check for group policy, mobile device management, or registry locks that override your choices and disable those policies if permitted. One key troubleshooting tip: run gpedit, MSC, or consult your IT admin to remove forced telemetry policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.